now bring in our colleagues. Abhishek Jha joining us on the broadcast. We also have Siddhant joining us on the broadcast. Abhishek, before we talk about the manner in which the arrest happened, what does this mean as far as the political ramifications in Pakistan are concerned? Let's begin from the basics. Considering the fact there are over 100 cases today against the former Prime Minister of Pakistan, help our viewers understand what are the allegations in this particular case. What is the Al-Qadir case all about?
This Al-Qadir case pertains to a disproportionate dealing of a land that was made out of as a trust. Imran Khan, his wife Bushra Bibi, and one of an NRI supporter of Imran Khan's party was also party to this. There has been multiple questioning in the past also in this case, but today when Imran Khan was in the court, this was not expecting that this would be the reason why he would be arrested so forcibly. The 7 cases that he was there to, defend himself for, in the 7 cases, the Islamabad High Court had given him bail, and he was there in this biometric room to verify his other details. But immediately after that, we had those videos where we could see park rangers, it's almost like a company of park rangers who barges into that room, forcibly removes everybody. The scuffle ensues, people are injured, but still they literally handpick Imran Khan and take him forcibly to one of their vans, which is waiting outside, and from there Imran Khan is led to some unknown location. We are learning that Imran Khan may be produced tomorrow in a court. But the thing is that Imran Khan had predicted that this may happen. He will be, the state is not finding some legal way to corner him. And so there can be some forcible way to persecute him, to arrest him. And in his arrest, he has said that there could be tortures and there could be allegations that Imran Khan has made that there would be assassination attempt on him also. So clearly, the most unpredictable scenario is currently undergoing in Pakistan, where we cannot predict how the momentum or how the public sentiment is going to be in the next 24 hours. There are law and orders, 144 has been imposed in several cities, but how much of that is going to be respected by the public, or how much of challenge for the law authorities will it be to contain them? That we'll have to.
Yeah. Abhishek, I'll just request you to stay on with us. Anand is also now joining us from our newsroom. Anand, just break down the sequence of events for our viewers first. As Abhishek was rightly pointing out, the last visuals that we had before the arrest was Imran Khan in a room waiting for his biometrics, and then you see the park rangers barging in. Help us understand the sequence of events of what really led up to the arrest of Imran Khan.
Well, it's a gamut of cases against him that have now been one after the other. The Tosha Khana case is one of the big ones, where there is a serious case of taking away or carting away with what is supposed to be Sarkari Khazana or national property. These were gifts that have been received which have been given to the office of the Prime Minister, and the Prime Minister should not have been taking any of those gifts, especially those which are of really high value, beyond a certain value which is designated as per the Pakistani laws and constitution. Now, Imran Khan and his wife Bushra Bibi have been accused of carting away with some of those important ones. So that was one of the bigger cases on which Imran Khan had been facing multiple calls from the courts to present himself, even if he wanted bail. And the courts had warned him multiple times. There were non-bailable warrants, also another case. There's also one Al-Qadir case, which is the university that was being built and which is again announced by Imran Khan. There were apparently 190 million rupees that had been donated for this, and of which only about 8.5 million had been spent. The rest of the money, a lot of the money has been siphoned off by Imran Khan and his wife Bushra. A lot of the cases of corruption which Imran Khan faces are somewhere linked to his third wife, that is Bushra, and Bushra's family. And that's where Imran Khan finds himself in a spot of bother. In this case, he had come for appealing for bail in some of the other cases, but there was suddenly, even as he was going through the biometrics in the Islamabad High Court, right next to the courtroom, there were about 50 rangers who stormed in. There were his lawyers, and some of them tried to protest or resist Imran Khan being picked up. But the lawyer suffered injuries, and the rangers muscled their way, and then they carted off with Imran Khan to an undisclosed location so far. We don't know if he's been taken to a jail or to an undisclosed location. Which location? Because where he's been taken, we don't know. But we know that he's been taken away by the authorities. Fawad Chaudhry of the PTI has alleged that he's actually been abducted. The Chief Justice of the Islamabad High Court is currently asking questions. He's summoned the IG and some and of course the administration, the local administration head, to try and understand what is happening. And the big question is, on what case and on what charge have you arrested or picked him up like this? But this was inevitable in the scheme of things, in terms of the polity. The larger aspect is what is important, Ridhima, for our viewers to understand, that Imran Khan's rise during those elections, which many term dubious, happened with the fall of Nawaz Sharif and his incarceration and charges of case corruption against him. Right now, the current establishment, the word is that the current political establishment led by Shehbaz Sharif, it's a coalition of parties. None of them want to fight elections against the PTI, with Imran Khan roaming a free man, because he's been able to whip up quite a frenzy on the streets. So they want him out of the equation even before elections are announced. The courts want elections to be announced, and they believe that Imran Khan needs to be out of the way, and somewhere they have the backing of the military establishment. All this cannot happen till the time there is open backing of the military establishment, and that's what those who were favored in the past now have fallen out. Those who had fallen out in the past now seem to be finding favor. The larger question is what happens next to Imran Khan, and how soon do we see Mia Nawaz Sharif touching back on Pakistani soil.
And